January 1st, 2020. My brown nanny over here has been calling for her baby, which was way across the field. Nanny. Yellow tag 41. And her baby is, well, behind Skittle. Right there. And he was way across the field. Way over there. Where the horses are. Hey, little one, easy. Hi, Spirit. Hi, big boy. Hi, Pearl. Hi, baby. Hi, Jojo, babies. Yeah, Jojo, big girl. And my big boy. Yeah, you think you're a big boy. Brown Nanny's baby's number is 115, white tag. Pearl, it's warm under your mane, baby. This nanny here, her baby is 111, and that is number 2. She's a good girl. She's one of my pretty ones. Oh, I gotta go and get the hose. So I gotta stop the video.